This video is a response to Flat Earth Dad's two videos, Objects Disappear Bottom Up on a Flat Earth, and Flat Earth is a Misnomer. Again, he is misleading people by posting partial, misleading data. And I'm going to show you why. He is correct. With no undulation, the object appears to get smaller and will not disappear bottom up on a flat plane. Now, Flat Earth data adds waves to the model. This is based on the assumption that the wave is taller than the observer. An object moving away will disappear bottom up on an undulating plane as long as the blocking object is taller than the observer. You noted Flat Earth data. Angles are important, and I'm going to show you why. Here's the setup. The left cup will be placed at a distance from the camera to represent a taller than the observer wave when viewed from a distance. The cup on the left is slightly taller than the right one. The paper adds additional height to represent the highest wave on the undulating flat plane. Again, the cup on the left will simulate a wave that is higher than the cup on the right, which will represent the boat moving away on a flat undulating plane. Marker also has a black mark on the bottom as well. Okay, let's begin the experiment with 3 different angles of view. Okay, this camera view is at the same level as the top of the upside down cup that has additional height. Observer is at the same height as the wave represented here by the front cup. I will slowly move the back cup towards the back of the table. There is no additional bottom-up obstruction as the object moves away. This is when viewed from below the highest point, which is represented by the cup with additional height on the undulating plane. The front cup represents the wave that is taller than the observer. Disappears bottom up as predicted. This can only happen if the wave represented by the cup is taller than the observer. Now this is when viewed from a point higher than the wave, which is represented by the front cup on an undulating flat plane. More of the moving object comes into view. This is the equivalent of viewing the wave from a cliff that is higher than the wave itself. When the observer is taller than the wave represented by the front cup, the object behind it will come into view as it moves away on an undulating flat plane. Bottom line is, Flat Earth data is a fraudulent and dishonest flat earther. That's it.